Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode, or the second episode, of What Are They Saying? In case you guys aren't familiar with this series, this is when I listen to people with a drastically different philosophical or worldview or political view, and I try to understand what exactly it is that they are saying. Our guest today is Amru al-Kahdi, or aka Glamorou.
My name is Amru al-Qadi, or Glamorou, and I have an identity that you might categorize as intersectional. I'm British Iraqi, gay, non-binary, and also identify as Muslim.
He is gay and non-binary. About time. I was kind of getting tired of all those binary gays, and he happens to be of the religious persuasion, the peaceful one at that.
And reading about quantum physics has really helped me understand my queer identity.
Okay then, that's important. A lot of us would probably read quantum physics and we would not be able to apply it to our lives. And that's why you really need to get a queer identity before jumping into that field. Otherwise it just, has no practical application.
Quantum physics is a beautiful, strange, and glorious sect of physics that looks at the subatomic particles that govern our world. So inside the neutrons, electrons, and the protons, you're looking at the quarks, leptons, bosons, and the Higgs. Whereas classical Newtonian physics is obsessed with the universal formula that govern our reality. It's so fixed on resolute answers. Quantum physics reveals that there is no fixed reality, and it's full of beautiful contradictions.
Oh yeah, we kind of see where this is going, right? Yeah, no, me neither.
We can now observe that the same subatomic particle can be in many places at the same time. So if we fire an electron through a wall with two holes, for instance, we should be able to see that it goes through one or the other. But on a quantum level, when you observe what's going on, we see that the same particle is actually going through both holes at the same time.
I don't get it. Are these meant to be sexual metaphors? With all the stuff going in and stuff?
Multiple versions of the same event are happening all at the same time. What's so remarkable about quantum physics is the fact that what's happening on a subatomic level contradicts what we're actually seeing happening in reality.
I knew it. It is sexual. Sort of. Right?
It shows us that reality is itself a construct, and what's going on internally on a subatomic level belies what we're actually observing. Quantum physics to Newtonian physics is to me what queer theory is to heteronormativity, i.e. looking for normative constructs of society, male, female, of gender, of race, categorizing everything in a kind of neat, rigid way.
Whoa, come on, man. You can't read from the physics book in biology class. How did we get to the whole race and gender thing?
I am very comforted by this as a queer person with no real fixed identity. It gives me immense hope that there's this model of the world, this real physical, philosophical model which shows us that reality is just a set of contradictions with no real fixed foundation.
Wait, what? What philosophical model? You just explained subatomic particles behave in a way that we would not expect, and then you jumped into race and gender. I'm not following, man. What are you saying?
It is in this model of space-time as a series of entanglements that I'm able to piece together all the fragmented sects of my identity, being able to identify as British and Iraqi, as queer and Muslim, as someone of many genders and potentially no genders at all.
What a weird word salad. I understood absolutely nothing from it. What are you saying, man? What are you saying?